Thank you to Greg Douglas at Stereo One in California for helping us out with this one. 2019 Road Glide. It's getting a lot of equipment. The bike is from Virginia, so I was trying to make it as simple as possible, get everything mounted in as solid as possible, and trying to have no issues with this bike once it's delivered. So I definitely wanted both 800.4 EvoXs in the front, factory radio. I didn't want to chop up the factory bracket too bad. I didn't want to jam, so I wanted everything to fit like factory, and we have one other amp going in the tour pack, and it came out really good. Douglas is working on a steel rack similar to Lexus amp rack. I wanted something with less modification, so instead of doing it out of steel, I actually used Lexan bulletproof glass, and it came out really good. Let me show you what we did. Okay, so if you notice, the headlight tabs are still there. All 4 headlight bolts are in place. Factory radio's in. And there we have 2 EvoX 800.4s. It's 1/4 inch Lexan bulletproof glass, so it's going to be drilled and tapped. So that one bolts in there, that one bolts in there. We trim the side of the bracket to get it to clear the factory radio. And then we trimmed a little bit on the inside. But as you can see, everything goes back into place nicely. Really happy with the way that turned out. This is solid.